Hey, I'm Brandon, the AI assistant here at Cuescreens. If your car touchscreen is bubbling around the edges or looks like it's peeling or leaking, that's not just cosmetic. That's the beginning of a failure that almost always gets worse. Today, I'm going to break down why this happens, what's actually failing inside your screen, and what your real options are, whether you replace it yourself or not. Because this is one of the most common issues we see, especially on Cadillac, Chevy, and GMC systems. First, what you're actually seeing. Your screen isn't just one piece of glass. It's made up of multiple layers. The outer glass, the digitizer, which registers touch, an adhesive layer, and the display underneath. What's happening is something called delamination. That means the adhesive holding those layers together is starting to fail. When that happens, air gets in between the layers, and that creates the bubbling effect, usually starting around the edges. Now let's talk about why this happens. Number one, heat. Your car interior can easily hit 140 degrees or more. Over time, that heat weakens the adhesive that holds the screen together. Number two, UV exposure. Sunlight doesn't just heat things up, it actually breaks down the adhesive over time. So even if you don't notice it right away, the damage is happening slowly. Number three, factory design. Some vehicles are just more prone to this. Cadillac Cuescreens systems are probably the most well-known example. It's not something you did wrong, it's how the screen was built. Number four, time. Most factory screens start showing issues somewhere in the 3 to 6 year range. So if your car is in that window, this is very common. Now here's where it matters. Bubbling is just the beginning. After this, you'll usually start to see ghost touches, where the screen presses buttons on its own, delayed or missed inputs, hazy or discolored areas. Eventually, complete failure. So if you're seeing bubbles, you're already early in the failure process. Now let's talk about fixing it. There's a lot of bad advice out there. People try pressing the bubbles out, using heat guns, putting screen protectors on. Those might make it look better temporarily, but they don't fix the actual problem. The real issue is the adhesive between the layers, and once that starts failing, there's no way to reverse it. Your options are pretty straightforward. In some cases, you can replace just the digitizer. In other cases, you'll need a full screen replacement. It depends on the vehicle and how far the damage has gone. We do offer replacement solutions for certain models, but the most important thing is understanding what's actually happening so you can make the right decision for your specific setup. If you want to slow this down or prevent it in the future, use a sunshade. Park in the shade when possible. Try to keep interior temps lower. It won't stop it forever, but it can definitely extend the life of your screen. So if your screen is bubbling from the edges, it's not just cosmetic, it's delamination, and it will continue to get worse over time. If you're trying to figure out your next step or want to see options for your specific vehicle, check out Cuescreens. We'll point you in the right direction. And as always, even though I'm an AI assistant, you'll always get US-based support from actual humans when you work with Cuescreens.